Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Sibongile and the Dlaminis on Monday, now that Samke knows a dark secret, things don't look good for pertaining. Kwenzo shares a moment of reconnection with Sibongile. Tulusile gets a new idea and turns to Mashona for help. On Tuesday, a vengeful Samke rocks up to see Njengaye armed with a Dlaminis secret. Sibongile and Kwenzo share a romantic day. Sibongile considers losing her virginity. Tulisile starts her new side hustle. On a Wednesday, Njengaye struggles with some scarce revelation. Kwenzo and Sibongile are ready to take their relationship to the next level. Tulisile surprises Mavis and Nelly after she makes a lot of money from her side hustle. So thank you guys for watching.